Sue. I'm back. I just wanted to show you that you can do mashed rutabaga just like you would do mashed potatoes, but you can do it in your pressure cooker. This is our quick cooker by Pampered Chef, and I cut up my rutabaga into big chunks and I added it to one of our steaming baskets. So it is in the stainless steel pot, but inside the steaming basket here. And I'm going to add 1 cup of water to the base because you need at least a cup of water to create the steam. And then you're just going to lock your safety lid on. You're going to make sure that the vent button is even with the top handle. You don't want to push down because if it's pushed down, that's when the steam will come out. So you want it to be flat. And then you're just going to set it to custom time, and we're going to set it to 8 minutes. And then we're just going to set the start button, and it will come up to temperature. It will cook for 8 minutes, and then we'll let it naturally release for 10 minutes before we release the steam, and then we'll just mash it up with potatoes and heavy cream, etc. So just another fast way of doing rooted vegetables. You can do carrots and parsnips and rutabaga, other things like that. So pressure cookers can be used for so many different things, and if you haven't seen all the accessories that Pampered Chef has for our quick cooker, you should definitely message me and I can send you a picture. We have a bundt cake, a cheesecake pan, the steaming baskets. We've got other different inserts, eggs. You could do 2 dozen eggs at the same time, hard boiled. We have 1 cup prep bowls with stretch lids on them that can also go in here to make custards or puddings or little coffee cakes. So if you need some recipes or you need some accessories for your pressure cooker, reach out to me. Thanks for watching Sue's Cooking.